Hey guys, I wanted to share with you a real quick tutorial about how to add assignments and complete them into Google Classroom. For example, this is the classwork stream right here, and you can see that we have an assignment posted called the Vaping Crisis. So what you're going to do, here, let me move this up so you can see it, is you're going to go to classwork, click on that, and these are the directions right here. Move this over so you can see it a little bit better. Please read the following article. Please answer question 1 or 2. Follow the proper guidelines when commenting. That basically means that you need to be appropriate when you comment down here if you choose to comment down there. So you're going to pick one of these questions. How are officials responding to the vaping crisis? Or how does nicotine affect people who use it? So, and make sure you give an example from the text. You're going to click on this article right here. I'm going to move this over here so you can see it. Okay, so here's your article right here. And I love Scholastic because what it does is it gives you the opportunity to be orally read to if you choose to do so. You can just click on this text to speech. It'll start reading it to you. Say that is going way too fast for you. Then what you can do is you can actually change the speed to slow. You see how it slowed it down a little bit? So after you've read the article, you just go back to the Google Classroom. And you are going to click on View Assignment, which is a little further down. And here's your assignment right here. See, read the following article. Then you're going to go over here to your work. And remember, the two questions were, how are officials responding to the vaping crisis, and how does nicotine affect people who use it? So we're going to pick one. We're going to pick how are officials responding to the vaping crisis. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to click Add Docs. And I'm going to click in here. And you're going to write your name. So I'm going to write Mrs. Aceves. You are going to write your name. And you're going to write, if you chose number 1, you're going to say officials are responding to the vaping crisis by, and then you're going to write your answer right here. Once you have finished, you're going to select, let me show you where it is. It's on the top right over here, and you're going to click Turn In. And it's asking you want to turn in your work? Yes, you do. Turn it in. And now your work is turned in. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Good luck, you guys.